The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, seek shelter immediately in a nearby sturdy building, or lie flat in a nearby ditch or low-lying area. This is a dangerous and potentially deadly situation. Stay tuned to local media for updates.